Not as excited as Apple was to post their all-time record revenue in Q1 of over $100 billion. More than half of that was the iPhone, with some reporting showing that this iPhone surge comes from China, which many are speculating demonstrates that China is quite sensitive to design changes. I don't actually get it. How is it that Apple spends as much on R&D as they do, and they only change the look of their phone every 2 or 3 years? Like, I've actually always found that kind of baffling.
I think a lot of it can be like experimental stuff because if they want to stay on the forefront, and like, I mean, if you think about it, we've talked about this on WAN Show before, like
Yeah.
a lot of companies will do something and it'll be like, not that great. And then Apple will do it and it'll be like, that's good enough for actual market adoption. And they'll actually drive actual change in the industry. So that, like, doing that, as much as I don't like Apple, I realize that was a lot of Apple pump. Doing that probably costs a lot. It's not too surprising.
Oh, man. Oh, man. GME is like peak right now. It's at 325, but it's going up in after hours. I think. Hold on. Preview open. Where's the close today? Must be closed today. I don't know. I don't.
I feel like we gotta get through this show.
I'm sorry. I'm extremely stressed out. So
I understand.
There are more than 1 billion active iPhones out in the world, which is around half of all iPhones ever made. That's kind of crazy if you think about it. So people are keeping them for quite a while. Mac sales are also up year over year, but down a bit since last quarter, despite the release of the M1. Could be back to school, but also there are stories of supply constraints. And I think there's a lot of people that are holding out for like big boy Apple Silicon.
The next one.
Yeah.
Yeah.